Little bass on the ultralight reel. There we go. On the Cinco. Little bass, little rig. Heck yeah. It's on the Power Team Lure 6 stick. There you guys go, little one. There's one. There we go. There we go. On that ultralight reel. Corner of the mouth. Weighted wacky hook. Power Team Lures 6 stick. Little ultralight reel. Little bass. See you, dude. Got one. Ah, there we go. Ha 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 ha. Look at that, roof of the mouth. Oh, just popped right out. Ultralight gear. Look at that bass, guys. Nice one too. Oh, what a beauty. There we go, guys. Woo! Gotcha. See ya. Alrighty guys, another one. He's little. Caught him off the wacky rig. And that little finesse rod and reel. Another one. Nice one. There we go. Nice, man. Little Cinco down there. Popped him right out. Again, fish him my ultralight reel. Look at that. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Beauty. I'm literally just walking around and I'm just pitching out, you know, 5-10 feet. Basically just pinching out. Letting this Cinco drop off this ledge right here. There's a nice ledge, you know, it's a rocky ledge, and it drops down to like 5 feet, you know, out there. So I'm just throwing on those ledges and letting that thing drop. And these bass, they just can't resist the Cinco, you know. Cinco's a Cinco, and the dumbest lure ever made. But let me tell you, it will catch bass. I was just saying, it seems like mostly they're hitting the bait on the fall. Usually when I'm like kind of shaky headed in it, they don't hit it. It seems like just when it's on the fall is when they really want to hit it. Man. There we go. I got you this time, buddy. Woo! I got you this time. Come on up here. Ah, I got you. Maybe you'll fool me 3 times, but number 4, I don't think so. Cause I'll break your jaw, boy. Break it. All right. I saw my worm fly down here somewhere. See if I can find it. There it is, right there. See ya? And there's my worm. There we go. Oh, this dock looks juicy. Yes, it does. Don't be a big one. Don't break me off here. Don't get around there and break me off. Oh, I just knew. I knew. There we go. Gosh, I had a feeling. There we go, guys. Sun setting right there. Looking beautiful. Catching largemouth bass on the sunset. Tell you what, it don't get much better than that. There we go, guys. Look at that. Nice largy. Sunset in the background. Catching bass. It's getting back right off this dock. This is a new dock too. This one's never been at this lake before. So that gives a good reason for these bass to check it out. Somewhere totally new. There we go. Oh, what do we got? What we got? Nice. There we go, guys. The PTL 6-stick is doing work. I tell you what, that thing is just killing them. Ultralight method and the Power Team Lure 6-stick. Just catching bass after bass, guys. See you, little dude. Excuse me, guys. I'm trying to make my way home. Excuse me. Excuse me. Making my way home. Stop hissing at me. I'm trying to make my way home. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bait of choice today, I only had about 2 hours to fish. I came out around 6:15, 6:30, and I'm leaving right now at like 8:20, 8:30. So best bait today was this ultralight reel and rod with a Wacky Rig Cinco stick bait by Power Team Lures called the 6-stick in green pumpkin, purple flake, 5-inch bait. It's got that hollow core. It's got a nice square body to it. Floats really well. So you definitely want a weighted wacky hook, and it just sends off a lot of good action. And I just basically went to those rock ledges and docks, threw it 5 to 10 feet out, let it sink off that drop off, and that's what the bass were keying on. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Matt, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya!